Every slice of quick frozen chicken, every colorful portion is the result of care and dedication from the delicate production process. With advanced technology, individually packaged chicken not only retains its natural flavor but also retains its freshness and nutrition. Look at those crispy fried chicken pieces with their shiny golden color, reflecting light like a work of art created with ingenuity and love. Each piece of chicken has a harmony between the crispy exterior and the soft and smooth meat inside, creating an extremely attractive experience for your taste buds and delicious taste. Looking at each piece of chicken intestine, you will see it shine, reflecting the light and natural color of the food. Each piece is trimmed carefully and precisely, creating a beautiful and attractive shape. The pink color of chicken intestines makes it even more attractive and full of vitality. The freshness and purity of corn is clearly shown through its color and shape. Each grain of corn radiates bright yellow light, creating a beautiful natural picture in the field. With its natural and fresh beauty, golden corn gives us a feeling of satisfaction and comfort. Removing fruit peels makes you tired and lose productivity. The KEA 700A fruit peeler will be a savior for any kitchen that needs an effective and convenient solution in food preparation. We hope you've enjoyed this deep dive into the world of industrial food machinery. Leave a like and share your thoughts in the comments below. Keep an eye out for our next installment, coming soon. Packaging helps prevent oxidation, thereby keeping red meat's natural flavor and quality better throughout its storage period. Vacuum packaging red meat in bags or containers can make storage and use easier, while also reducing the risk of contamination from exposure to bacteria and pathogens. Vacuum packaging technology is increasingly advanced, allowing the packaging of red meat in automated processes, ensuring accuracy and food safety. Have you ever enjoyed the taste of anchovies? With their slender shape and brightly colored bodies, anchovies are not only an important part of the marine ecosystem, but also bring excitement to observers. Anchovies also have high nutritional value and are often used in traditional sea dishes. With sweet and protein-rich meat, they are often popular in the preparation of sushi, sashimi, and other delicious dishes. At the same time, protecting and maintaining the number of anchovies in the marine environment is also an important part of protecting the environment and maintaining the ecological balance in the sea. Looking at the sharp blade working hard, cutting each thin slice of meat, you not only feel the precision and ingenuity of the processing process, but are also fascinated by the meticulousness and sophistication in the process. Every move, the blade is not only a tool, but also the talented hand of the artisan. Its sharpness and precision help create thin slices of meat without damaging the food's texture or natural flavor. Each cut is an art, technique, and sophistication expressed through each line. Behind the strong beauty of the blade lies technique and sophistication, patience and respect for the materials. When you see the blade at work, you not only see professionalism, but also feel the passion and dedication of the artisans behind the work. Ham, with its unique blend of meat and spices, creates a unique and attractive flavor. Seeing the slices of ham neatly arranged on the tray, you not only feel the soft beauty but also understand the meticulousness in the processing process. With each piece of ham, you are told a story about thoroughness, meticulousness, and passion. From the selection of fresh ingredients to the preparation and seasoning, everything is done with respect and love for the food. In the image of delicately sliced slices of ham and sausage, you not only feel the skillful cut,